Mechatronics, your smart factory total solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll go over some important considerations when selecting an auto switch for the NF series. We've received several customer inquiries about malfunctioning auto switches on cylinders. While there are various causes, today we'll focus on selecting the right auto switch for small actuators like the NF series. There are two main types of auto switches commonly used with pneumatic cylinders: the W8H mechanical contact switch and the W9H non-contact switch. Mechanical contact switches have a wider operating range. This can lead to double detection issues on compact actuators like the NF series, where the surface area is limited. For this reason, it's crucial to use a non-contact switch with a shorter detection range on NF series cylinders. Although our catalog specifies that non-contact switches should be used for small actuators like the NF series, we occasionally receive inquiries about double detection issues caused by mechanical contact switches. Please be mindful of this when selecting your switch. Now, let's look at the difference between mechanical contact and non-contact switches. First, we'll connect a mechanical contact switch to the NFH cylinder and activate it. As you can see on the screen, both fixed W8H switches turn on their LEDs, indicating double detection. While this issue might not always occur depending on switch placement, we recommend using the appropriate switch to reduce operational issues. Next, let's connect the non-contact switch. You'll notice that it functions properly without double detection. This demonstrates why it's imperative to use a non-contact switch with a narrow operating range for small actuators like the NF series. That's it for today's explanation. If you have questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.
TPC Mechatronics, advancing industries together. Learn more at tpcpage.co.kr.